Storytelling, terrific insights have done my research, more friendly, more respectful, more funnier, without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Enemies repeatedly throw a wrench in. 1. They start a rumor train, gossip travel faster than office Wi-Fi. 2. They judge before saying hello. First impression deserves a conversation, not assumptions. 3. They misunderstand everything, even good morning sometimes become an office mystery news. 4. They avoid small talk. Coffee breaks become silent speed walking contest. 5. They keep their distance, social distancing long after it stop being required. 6. They whisper when you walk by. Maybe they're planning lunch or debating stapler colors. 7. They believe every rumor. Fact-checking deserves a chance to. 8. They encourage others to exclude you. Teamwork works best when everyone is included. 9. They ignore your ideas. Great ideas don't disappear just because someone looks away. 10. They act like you're invincible. At least invincible people skip long meetings. 11. They spread misunderstandings. One small story grows into a giant office legend. 12. They assume the worst. Sometimes late email is just a late email. 13. They avoid working with you. Cooperation usually beats unnecessary drama. 14. They copy the crowd. Following opinions is easier than forming your own. 15. They exaggerate tiny mistakes. A typo isn't the end of the civilization. 16. They leave you out of conversation. Missing one chat doesn't define your value. 17. They make awkward silence. Silence can become louder than words. 18. They misinterpret your kindness. Being polite isn't a secret plot. 19. They celebrate gossip instead of facts. Fiction belongs in movies, not an office. 20. They avoid eye contact. Looking away doesn't solve misunderstandings. 21. They expect everyone to agree with them. Different opinions make stronger teams. 22. They keep repeating old stories. Some rumors have longer careers than employees. 23. They forgot people can change. Growth deserves recognition. 24. They make a simple situation dramatic. Every painter jam doesn't need a blockbuster soundtrack. 25. They mistake confidence for arrogance. Confidence is simply mean believing in yourself. 26. They create unnecessary tension. A little kindness pops the pressure. 27. They overlook your helpful action. Good deeds still matters even when unnoticed. 28. They let gossip shape opinions. Real conversations reveal the bigger picture. 29. They throw a wrench into teamwork. Respect, honesty, and professionalism usually keep the workplace running smoothly. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.